Dear friends, dear brothers, dear sisters, welcome to Yol Bizi Gözler channel. Today I got exciting news for those looking to perform Hajj 2024. Now I'm gonna give some details about the process. Saudi Arabia Ministry of Hajj and Umrah, which announced on Monday that it has officially launched Hajj registration from Nusuk website and application. Nusuk Hajj is one-stop shop platform overseen by the Ministry of Hajj and Umrah that offers pilgrims from serviced countries a variety of Hajj packages provided by authorized service providers, ensuring a seamless Hajj experience. There are eligible countries, specific countries will be targeted on yearly basis. You can view the list from services to countries. You can check your eligibility from Nusuk.Saudi website. Through Nusuk Hajj program, pilgrims from the Asia, Europe, North America, South America can register for Hajj 2024. Firstly, you need to check your eligibility. Now, let's dive into registration process step by step. Firstly, you need to enter https://hajj.nusuk.saudi. When you enter this web address, first check your eligibility from serviced countries section. Now I am clicking. Now you are able to see eligible countries. You can see that Oceania, South America, Africa, and Europe, Asia, like Hong Kong, Japan, South Korea, Taiwan, from Europe, Croatia, Germany, Greece, Italy, and Belgium. If you are from one eligible countries, click home button again and slide the screen. Now you can see that 10 steps to apply Hajj 2024. You can see that 10 steps. 1. Create an account. 2. Upload your documents. 3. Fill the application. 4. Application verification. 5. Select preferred category. 6. Top up e-wallet. You need to create e-wallet. Then browse service provider. 7 steps. And 8. Select your preferred package. 9. Book your package. 10. Review itinerary. Click start registration and select your country. Now I'm selecting Germany. And check I confirm this is my country residence. There, enter your email address and create an account. After creating an account, a verify code to send your email address for verification. Then you need to upload your passport copy, photo, residence proof, like I said, previous section, 10 steps. Finally, there will be an application form. Fill out to choose your category and activate your wallet and submit your application. Then submitted data will be verified and you will be notified of the updates. Nusuk system asks you to follow the latest news on the platform and subscribes to newsletter to receive latest updates. Please don't forget that registering on platform doesn't mean that you will be accepted for Hajj. Packages and payment will be available at a later time. Please subscribe to newsletters and follow up the opening days for the reservations. There, all friends, sisters, and brothers. That's all for today's guide on registering for Hajj 2024. I hope that this video is useful for you. Please don't forget click the like button and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.